Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change quality settings in Little Nightmares 3. Let's begin! First of all, you want to head into the settings. Then you want to go into Video tab, and now you want to scroll all the way down. Go into Advanced section, and in here we have Overall Quality Settings. Now we have many different specific things like the texture quality, shadows quality, effects quality, post-processing quality. But if you want to go and change everything at once, you can simply go into quality at the top and we can change the quality. And as you can see, this changes everything. Or we can set everything to ultra. But of course, this is usually not the case what you want. As you can see, that's very big amount of... oh, it's the ambient occlusion, right? No. It's pretty hard to predict. But of course, the moment we try to change something else different, we can see that now our quality is set to custom. But using presets is very good, especially if you suddenly have like big frame drops and you want to go from, for example, high into medium. And as you can see, the difference between those two isn't really that big. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.